Hello backers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be doing Marshmallow Krispies. The ingredients you need are 45 grams of butter, 165 grams of Rice Krispies, and 250 grams of marshmallows. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm melting the butter in the pan at a medium heat. Okay. Okay, so once the butter is a liquidated consistency, I'm going to pour in the marshmallows and stir them around. Stir them very hard so that not to burn the bottom of the pan. Okay, so once it's a gooey consistency like this, just add in the Rice Krispies and then start stirring like so. Come on, calm down. Yeah, once you've got this consistency, just then put it in with a container like this one with a non-stick paper in it as well. Okay, so just spread it out evenly until it's all compact with either a palette knife or the bottom of a stirring spoon or a spatula, whatever suits you. Okay, or you can just spread it out like this. A bit sticky. Okay, so we put them into the fridge to leave to set for around about a couple of hours. Okay, so once it's gotten all firm up, remove the non-stick paper. Okay. And just cut into 12 pieces like so, or whatever. Okay. Yeah, and take a look at that. There we go. That's our Marshmallow Krispies. Okay, so if you're not a member of this channel, if you're not a subscriber of this channel and not a regular person and it's your first time here, please do press that subscribe button, and also push for a post notification bell for more when I upload. And remember, if you're autistic and want to learn to cook, or not, whether you're not autistic or not, okay, do remember, and you just want to learn to cook, do remember that I have your back.